Na-realize nyo ba na sa sobrang evil at corrupted ng mundong to, kapag gumawa ka ng mabuti, pagtatawanan ka? I mean, it's okay if they will laugh at you, if they will mock you, sabihan kayong baduy or corny, kasi nagbabasa kayo ng Bible, nag-share kayo ng Word of God sa social media nyo. It's okay. I mean, why care about what other people say to you? What really matter is what God will say to you on the judgment day. Individual po tayong haharap sa Kanya. Hindi nyo po makakasama yung mga tropa or pamilya nyo na pumipigil sa inyo na mag-share ng salita ng Diyos kasi natatakot kayo, nahihiya kayo, baka pagtawanan kayo. If you deny Lord here on earth, He will deny you in heaven. If anyone is ashamed of me and my message in these adulterous and sinful days, the Son of Man will be ashamed of that person when He returns in the glory of His Father with the holy angels. Don't let them influence you. Influence them.